Yeah, good afternoon. I'm Roman from Manipur. I want to take this opportunity to speak on some of the untold stories or the struggles which the fellow brothers and sisters back in the home who have undergone the trauma of the last 1 year, because of the violence which is still ongoing in Manipur. As per the record which we have, around 219 people have lost their lives due to the violence, and we have another around 60,000 plus people who have been displaced because of this violence. And on top of this, we have around 1,000 people who have injured, and we have around 32 people who are still missing, for whom we don't know whether they're still alive or dead. And around 5,000 houses has been burned, and around 400 plus religious places has been damaged, vandalized, which include both temples and the churches. Now, several government offices has been destroyed in this violence, and resulting in the non-functioning of the government offices, and the tourism industry, which is a boom to the state government, also has been disturbed, leading to unemployment and leading to the poverty and taking the state back to around 30 years backward. So with the ongoing violence which is spread across 1 year, now we have few concerns which we want to raise or put across to the government of India, and especially to the government of Manipur. Now, when the government when government is not able to bring peace to the state in the last 1 year, we want to ask this question: is Manipur not a part of the state of India? Why the central government is still keeping quiet when the state is burning, and when thousands of people have lost their lives, and when many people are homeless? So we want to appeal to the government of India, and especially to the government of Manipur: please bring peace to the state, and let's make this state a happy state as it was. And with this, I want to again request to the government of Manipur: please take some action, and let's not further drag this issue and come to a conclusion. Thank you so much.